This is my $1,400 BMW Z4, and today we're continuing the series called iFix U-Mod. And as you can tell, the beautiful sun is out here in the Pacific Northwest. And the problem here is my top doesn't open, which is making me very sad. When I click this open button, the top unlatches, but it doesn't open any further. And that light just blinks red. Where do I even start? Every time I click this button, I can hear the motor work. Now I'm super confused because the motor works, so what's holding it from actually opening up? I'm gonna see if I can manually open it. Okay. Stuck like right here. I can't even manually open it. So it seems like this lock is the only thing that works. When I open it, it unlocks it, and that's it. And as soon as the unlocking process is done, the other motor takes over and it just doesn't do anything. After about 20 minutes of watching YouTube videos and researching it, I found some kind of clue.
We have this little red cord.
So right over here, we should have a red manual override cord, and it's missing. If I give a good yank on this, it seems like it's empty, and if I look inside that hole, there's nothing there either. So I'm gonna take this apart and see if I can figure something out. It looks like somebody was here before. You see the motor here being outside, not tucked inside the wheel well there, means someone's been in here, and if someone's been in here, typically they butcher things. Parcel shelf out of here. Now we have a better look at what this cable does and basically where it goes. Whew, definitely not the most comfortable place I've been in. And look what I just found. I found the override cable just completely ripped off. We've established one thing, the override means absolutely nothing, but where does this override go to? I was watching a little video and you see that cable in the back, it goes to the back of the motor. I don't have that. Right here is most likely where the override goes to, but I don't have anything there, so I honestly have no idea where to look. Chris Fix, help me out. If we look at this picture here, that assembly is completely missing off my motor, which is that red cable, which is that right there. Which means one of two things. Either A, that is the issue and that override there is disconnected the hydraulic motor from the actual top, or B, it's not the issue and it's fully connected right now and we have to dig somewhere else. Okay, I'm actually kind of defeated. After doing some more research, I realized that that motor that's inside the vehicle is a Ford Mustang alternative to a BMW soft top motor. So it doesn't have an override at all. We're gonna go with the low hanging fruit first, and I'm gonna try to go ahead and top this thing off with fluid. This crap here was 50 bucks. Let's see. Okay. But this thing was seriously low. All right, so we have the moment of truth. I put the shelf in so it clicks the little button. Okay, same as before. Is it open all the way? Bro, look at that. Oh my goodness. Okay, now does it close? Let's freaking go, dude. Woo! The low-hanging fruit oftentimes wins. We got a drop-top Z4 where the top actually works with minimum amount of work. I'm so pumped right now. Finally, I get to enjoy my convertible Z4 that I paid $1,400 for. And honestly, I was actually really scared that I wouldn't be able to fix this. We are officially fixed. Don't forget, this is the iFix U-Mod series. So far, we have one mod on the list, and that's a lowering of some sort. So that's air suspension, coilovers, or springs. Now, what is the next mod you would put on this car? Because so far, we got 2 repairs and 0 mods. But the first thing we're doing is lowering this thing. Anyways, let me know what you would do, and I'll see you in the next one.